Welcome you back down here to the farm. I'm down here at our new potato patch. This is our old sweet corn patch from last year. We usually grow potatoes up behind the house at our original garden site when we first bought this place. We've turned it into a berry patch, and I'll show you that in another video. But down here, I'm going to try to get this ready to plant potatoes. And you can see there's a lot of organic material here. I'll take you out and show you kind of a little closer real quick. But we grew sweet corn here last year, and it did all right here. It came up really good, but then it got really dry. And I mean, it was, well, you know the story. So it didn't really do that good. We got a little bit out of it. But I'm gonna do this whole little area right here. You can see the old corn stalks here. So I'm gonna get this tilled up, and I'm gonna till a strip right down through there, and then I got 50 pounds of potatoes, so that's the most I've ever got. Usually I get about, I just got two varieties. I got Red Potomac, Yukon Gold. I have in the past gotten 3 varieties, but I usually get like 5 pounds each, so really going big this year. So on the other side of the garlic, I'm gonna do a couple of strips there, just in case. I don't know, I've not got a whole lot of experience with that many potatoes, so if I can get it all in here, it'd be great. So it won't even hurt that tilling anyway. I'm gonna till this today and probably till it again before we plant. So, and I'm gonna do a strip right through here, and we'll put beets, radishes, onions in that row. And they don't really go together with potatoes, but I'm gonna have a little space there. Kind of on the other side of the tractor now is our old original berry patch, where we kind of screwed that up. And we got some pretty good, we got something exciting going over there. So that'll be in a future video. We got a couple pecan trees, we got another peach tree. So we'll get all that cleaned out and put those trees over there, and hopefully that'll be maybe in a few days. So, and then I'll tell you what went wrong with my blackberries. I just found that out. Well, I found out about it several months ago, but it didn't register till about a month ago what happened. All right, so I'm gonna get this tractor, I got it warmed up, gas fueled up, got the diesel in it. Should be ready to go. My John Deere 55D, my New Holland 6-foot heavy duty tiller, and it's quite the combination. I've had it for, I don't know, forever. I've had that thing. Got a really good deal in it. I'm talking about the tiller. I actually got a pretty good deal in the tractor, compared wise. So, all right, let's get this thing fired up and we'll get doing some tilling. I got this part tilled. I'm gonna go up there and hit that other side over there a couple times real quick. But I want to show you this. It tilled up really nice. I'm going to go over it again. It's got, you can still see the old some of the dead stalks and stuff. And I'll let it sit for a day or two. There's still a lot of moisture in it. And go over it again, and then we'll do some planting. Probably pretty quick on the potatoes. I got some new techniques I'm going to try. And I got a new piece of equipment I'm going to go buy to help with that. So and I'll show you all that in that video when we start planting, actually start the planting. But this is the prep work. You always got to prep. And I can't remember where I plowed this last year. I've been plowing like one side of my garden, not plowing one side, and just of course I till it all. And I did that because of time. Now I can't remember which side I did or which side I'm supposed to do this year, so I'm not going to do any plowing this spring. I'm just going to do some tilling, and of course I'm returning day before Good Friday, so from here on out maybe I'll have time. I can just plow it all at once. Once you get it set up, just go with it. Plow it all, because we're going all the way up to the other fence up there this year. All the way up to here. Of course over there you might be able to see, I don't know if you can tell, but the garlic's right in here, so I'm gonna till on the other side of that a few times, but I'm gonna till that whole place up all the way up through there. I'm gonna put sweet corn here, and up on that little ridge where it comes down, it's gonna be our pumpkins for this year. And most of this right here will be melons, and behind me in the other garden, the south garden, will be all our other crops. Of course, we'll have the high tunnels. Plan on cleaning them out this week. Really need to take a few days vacation, but I can't. I got to save it for my retirement and whatever. All right, so let's go up there and let's hit that other side over a couple times. And I know it should be pretty good because I tilled it last fall. And but let's hit it real quick, just in case I don't have enough room down here for potatoes. See how good that tilled up, man. This is really nice soil. It's a little bit drier. I don't know if you've seen a little bit of the dust come up. It's a lot drier than that down there. It tilled up really nice. I might hit it again though. I'll let it sit there for a day or two and then hit it again. I hope the rest of that looks like that. So like I was saying, from here over that way, we're gonna put sweet corn, and then on that little rise all the way down through there, it's gonna be pumpkins. So that's why I was cutting them trees up there, which is something else I got finished in. And I tell you what, it's so nice out here. I wish I was off tomorrow. I'd get to TYM, put the cutting horn on, cut this plastic up, get ready to till this whole garden up. I'm about ready to start planting, getting a little spring fever. We got quite a few seeds started up in the greenhouse, so it won't be long. This garlic looks really good. I about stepped on it. So if it turns out good, we'll go, I think we did 3 pounds maybe. So we'll probably go, I have to look and see how much we bought. So we'll probably go 20, 25 pounds of it. I think somewhere I had it cheap, but I can't remember where. It's probably this time of year. So this, of course, we plant in the fall. All right, so enough yakking. Potato patches are prepped. Well, I still gotta go over it one more time. So semi-prepped. Radishes, beets, and all onions, they're prepped. So that'll all be going in the ground. Carrots, some more beets. I got raised beds between the high tunnels that we're gonna put those in. Especially mostly carrots. Well, I have a hard time growing carrots out here in the field, so I don't know why. I think in 20 years I've had one really halfway good crop. And a lot of it's my variety. I finally got a good variety, but last year it's so dry. And where I plant them, I don't have a water source. I wish I had a well or a pond. I wish there was a creek running around down by the railroad track and we'll just pump out of it. We had the best vegetables ever, wouldn't we? All right. A lot of dreaming going on, getting dark. Gonna put my equipment up. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up. We'll be planting potatoes probably in the next video or the video after that. And I'll show you the different techniques I'm gonna do. Might do half of them with the new technique and half of them with the old, and we'll kind of see. Of course, I don't know if that would be a good experiment. I might do half of one variety one way and half another. So we'll see. And then I'm gonna actually plant them a little different than I have been. So I hope it'll all work out. It will. Hey, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate everybody watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, or something you said I didn't do right, just leave a comment. We'll talk about it. Send me an email. We do a live every Monday night, me and Allison. That's my wife. We do a live every Monday night at 7:30 Eastern time. So come over and watch that, and you can chat with us and ask questions there if you want to. I appreciate you watching. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down at the farm next video.